I just want to show you how to use the MyShakespeare website for reading Hamlet and for researching a bit, especially when you have the literary elements to research. So I have just typed in a Google search for MyShakespeare Hamlet, and then I have these options that pop up. You can click on any of them to access the whole thing. This is the whole play. So even though it goes scene by scene, you'll see that you can listen, you can see, if you get the speech bubble, you can see the plain English, contemporary English stuff, or interpretation. That can be really helpful when you're trying to know what the text is saying. You can look at some discussion things in the note, so you can see that. Also, when you see a little flag, let me see, something like this maybe, although that is giving me what I need. So sometimes you have some extra information. For example, I think maybe the literary devices, where it would be helpful for that one slide you're doing on a literary device. You have to sign in or register and then sign in. And it's free, so just use whatever, you can use your school email evidently, and then just remember your password. I think anything that's gray, you have to do that sign in. And I think maybe the literary elements, literary devices, may be behind these little writing tools. But there's so many things. So you have, plain English, you can listen. Also, there are videos that you can watch of the scenes or elements of the scenes, important parts of the scenes. Here's a deeper dive, character interview. These are all where the actors that are in the scenes will do little pretend interviews with a news journalist, a fake news journalist. So, fake news has a different meaning now. But anyway, so at the bottom of each act, just scroll to the bottom and you can go to the next one. That might be, if you have not signed in, that might be the best way to access each different act. Just click through. Or you can go to the play menu and maybe you can click on your specific scene that you want. So if you're still exploring scenes, that's a good way to do it. Again, it's free, so if you want to sign in, you can certainly do that for free. The videos for your scenes are also in YouTube. This has direct links to videos, but you could just go to YouTube. I think this is the one that I tried to send you. I tried to send you this link, and I think it's not working for some of you if you don't already have access, if you have not already signed in. So that may be something that you guys have encountered. If you have, then just do a Google search for MyShakespeare, all one word, and Hamlet will pop up, or you can type in MyShakespeare Hamlet. Also on YouTube, you can find the different scenes, and I would encourage you to watch different versions of the scene you're presenting so that you really understand it, along with reading the plain contemporary English versions that are available in little sections when you click here. So I hope that helps. Let me know.